لا لا السلام عليكم.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम. जी sir, how are you?
Alhamdulillah, good.
How is everything going on and how's your experience here?
We are not see at now. We will visit now. We'll see. Inshallah, I think everything okay.
What about Pakistan?
We have good business with Pakistan from many years. Yeah, not we are new. No, we are more than 20 years. We are working with the Pakistani.
Okay, are you interested in import export with Pakistan?
Yeah, we are export rice. We have maybe 10 brand from Pakistan,
Oh, that's very nice.
and we have spices and meat also, fresh meat from Pakistan, from Karachi, and sometime we have fish, fresh also, but not every month. No, some month. This time we cannot buy from Pakistan, very costly.
And did you get any appreciation from Pakistanis
What?
for your product?
No, we have our own brand from Pakistan also. We have many brand, rice, chili, onion, fresh or fry.
That's very nice. और
बाइंग फ्रॉम पाकिस्तान.
ओके सर, आप कुछ बताएंगे?
पाकिस्तान. थैंक यू सो मच. बहुत अच्छा लगा पाकिस्तान आकर. मैं बेसिकली पाकिस्तानी हूँ और हम डेलीगेशन के साथ आए हैं बहरीन के साथ यहाँ पर, और एम्बेसी ने बहुत अच्छा ये इनिशिएट लिया है. सारे वहाँ पे जो बहरीनीज़ हैं उनको यहाँ पर लेके आई हैं टू प्रमोट पाकिस्तानी प्रोडक्ट्स, एग्रीकल्चर प्रोडक्ट्स, और विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट. थैंक यू सो मच.
जी सर, कुछ कहना चाहेंगे पाकिस्तान के बारे में?
पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद. और क्या कहेंगे?
थैंक यू सो मच.
थैंक यू सो मच.